Hello guys, today I will show you how you can make your first Arduino project. For this project you are gonna need an Arduino UNO or Arduino Mega, and here on the left side you are looking at the connection diagram of your first program, LED blinking, and bring an LED and hook up on the breadboard that you have and make these connections. My LED is green and it has a positive and negative terminal respectively, and make these connections. Connect the ground pin to the cathode of the LED. This is the ground, and connect it to the and pin 13 of digital pin 13 of the Arduino UNO or Mega, connect it to the anode terminal of the LED, which is a positive terminal, and go ahead and upload this code. First of all, connect your Arduino to your PC like so, and go to the tools and select the Arduino board that you are using, Arduino Mega or UNO, and select the port as well. After that, upload this code. When you will upload this code, LED will start blinking. There you go. You can see now LED is blinking. Right, with the delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. In a void loop section, you can see the digital write LED built-in high, and then delay and digital write LED built-in low. Here I will change the delay to reduce it to 500, and you will see the blinking rate will become faster. Upload this code, and you can see LED is blinking much faster than before. If I reduce this time more than that, for example, if I change this here and make it 50 milliseconds, then the blinking rate will much faster than before. Here you go, it's running faster. So you can play around with this code by changing the delay in a different methods like I did here. If I change the high state or low state here, I have changed into 50, you will see the LED will just flicker like this. If I change the delay on a high state side, change it back into 1000 and change here, make it 50, and you will see the LED will flash like this and give it a signal like it's signaling. Okay, and you can play around much with this code. If I press the reset button, and I will still run this code. So let's change back it to 1 millisecond as a 1 second, which is 1000 millisecond. This delay is in 1000 millisecond. Okay, so let's move on to the simulation side. If we want to simulate this whole circuitry, we will move on to the website. I have the link which is given in the description. Open your Google browser and type here tinkercad.com, and here click on the first link that will appear. Here you have to sign up or sign in using your social media account. Here you will see 3D design and circuits. Click on circuits. I have made so many circuits here. Click on new circuits, create new circuits, and you will lead to the canvas, which is empty space, and on the right side you will see different components here. So here are the basic components. If you want all the components, click on this drop down menu and select all. Now you will have all the components that you can use in your future projects. Bring the LED, any color you like. Now click on Arduino UNO. Here it is. Let's zoom in and let me show you what kind of connections I have made. So I'm not using breadboard here. Cathode and anode to a terminal of the LED. Cathode is negative, anode is positive. Bring some resistor as well. Change its value. I'm using 200 ohm resistance. Connect the one terminal to the anode of the LED and other terminal of the resistor to the 13 pin of the Arduino. Change the color scheme of the wires so you can understand everything. Click on cathode terminal and connect to the ground pin of the Arduino and change its color as well. It's better to follow the scheme of the colors so you can understand it better. Now for the code, click on code and turn into text if you want. Copy this code and go back to your browser, and here they have already this code, but you can change it here if you want. I will click on start. You can bring up this coding section by clicking on it. Click on start simulation and you will see the LED will start blinking. There you go. On the Arduino board, built-in LED also blinking. Here is the practical example that I have done before. On the side, on the left side, on the right side, this is a simulation. And thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel and give a like. If you want any help, comment down below in the section.